Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a website in 10 minutes. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So I'm going to show you this whole process in simple 5 steps. Step 1. Pick a name for your website. Open a browser and in this search box type here namecheap.com. Then you will jump into this website and in this search box type your website name or a domain name. So I'm going to type here how to 1 minute.net and this will be my website name. Then I'm clicking on search. And here we can see this domain name is available. So I pick a name for my website. So after adding the domain name into cart, click on checkout and select duration and then click on confirm order and then fill up this form to create a new account. Give a username and give a password here. Confirm password, first name, last name and email address, and then click on create account and continue. And now fill up this form. After fill upping the form, click on continue and check this continue. And now here you have to add your card number, and now you have to make a payment. You can use your card to make payment. Also you can make payment using PayPal. So from here you have to purchase the domain and hosting for your new website. After getting hosting and domain for your website, now let's go to the step 3 to install WordPress. So I have purchased my hosting and domain. Now I'm opening my cPanel. And here you have to put your username and password to log in into your cPanel. So we are going to make our website with WordPress. So we need to install WordPress on our cPanel. So for that, click on WordPress Manager by Softaculous. And then click on install, and from here you have to select your protocol. If you have SSL for your website, then you have to select from the last 2 options, and if you don't have SSL for your website, then you have to select any from this first 2 option. So I'm selecting this one. Here is the domain, and from here select the WordPress version you want to install. And now here you have to put your site name, and you can give here site description and admin account. Give your WordPress admin username to log in into your WordPress dashboard, and here give a password. And here you can give a email account and remember this admin username and admin password to sign in into your WordPress dashboard in future. After fill upping this form, scroll down and click on install. And here we can see WordPress has been successfully installed. Now let's see our website. If I visit my website, and here we can see the website has been created. And now let's see how to open WordPress dashboard. So after putting the domain name, give a slash and type login and hit enter, and give here the admin username and password to log in into WordPress dashboard. Login. So here is the dashboard. Now let's go to the next step. Let's install a new WordPress theme. So for that, click on appearance and then click on themes. and click on add new, and in this search box search for Astra. So the Astra is the name of the theme which I'm going to install my WordPress. So this is the theme. I'm clicking on install, and here you can see the theme has been installed, and now click on activate. After that you will get this notification. Click on get started, and scroll down, then click on build your website now, and from here select Elementor, and from here select a theme for your website, and here you will find premium theme, also you will find some free theme. So right now I'm going to set a free theme. So here's a free theme, I'm clicking on it. So here is the preview of the theme, then click on skip and continue, and now fill up this simple form. And scroll down and click on submit and build my website. And here we can see the theme has been installed in my WordPress website. Now let's visit our website, and here we can see my website has been almost ready now. Now let's go to the next step. Let's edit the content of this theme. So after opening the website, click on edit with Elementor, and now let's edit our website. If I want to change this text, simply clicking on it, and now changing the text from here. And I'm scrolling down, and if I want to change the picture, I'm clicking on it, and from here I can upload picture from my computer. Also I can upload picture from gallery. So I'm selecting this one from here, insert media, and here you can see the image has been updated now. So this is how you can edit your website content, and when your all the editing have been finished, then you have to click on update, and then if I click on preview, and here we can see my website has been updated now. So this is how we can make a website in 10 minutes. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.